The First Amendment is your ultimate weapon for protesting. Let me break down how you can use it to stand up for your rights. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the First Amendment and what it says about protesting. Do you know what the First Amendment allows when it comes to raising your voice in protest? Upon completion of the Articles of the Constitution, the first 10 amendments were added as the Bill of Rights. Let's kick things off with a brief introduction to the First Amendment and why it holds such a crucial place in the United States Constitution. This amendment is the cornerstone of our freedom of speech and expression, shaping the very essence of our democracy. The amendment states, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. The First Amendment includes 5 principles. Freedom of religion. The government shall not establish an official religion and must treat all religions equally, including not practicing any religion. Freedom of speech. Citizens are entitled to expressing their thoughts and opinions without government interference. Freedom of the press. The freedom to print news and opinions. Freedom to peaceably assemble at will, times and places of their choosing. The right to petition the government to enact or change the laws and policies as needed, including how they are enforced. Any of these principles alone or in combination can be used to protest for a cause that one or more people consider worthy of the effort. The 5th and 14th Amendments establish that no person shall, quote, be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, end quote. These clauses make all citizens equal in the eyes of the law. Now, let's address a common misconception surrounding the First Amendment and protesting. There is often confusion about what rights are protected under this amendment, particularly when it comes to taking a stand through protests. There is no right to trespass on private or public property. There is no right to damage or destroy public or private property. There is no right to assault anyone, verbally or otherwise. There is no right to impede or obstruct anyone at their liberty. There is no immunity from civil or criminal consequences for committing any of the above acts. Yes, you can say death to one-eyed, one-horned, flying purple people eaters. But if they punch you in the face while you are screaming and spitting at them, a jury decides your fate. Your bad manners may be taken into account. If you follow the First Amendment as written and avoid what is not written, your protest goals have a greater chance of influencing people. If you are offending people, they are less likely to care about your cause. The key takeaway is that the First Amendment safeguards peaceful protest as a fundamental right. It's a powerful protection that allows individuals to voice their opinions, challenge authority, and advocate for change without fear of retaliation.
Remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
The First Amendment plays a pivotal role in upholding our freedom of speech and assembly, serving as a beacon of democracy and ensuring that our voices are heard. It does not allow protesters to engage in chaos or injury. Protesters' rights are no more or less important than anyone else. I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos exploring constitutional rights and the foundations of our democracy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.